man to me or Mukutano.
Yeah.
From a fanda no so. Fanda on the wine, only JJ rolling. But this respect say as 4 millionaires or more no musica. A man no buy you about you up a beer. The founder every reduce or money munyam. But the person share the whole world. Diaspora Ghana from what diaspora say. And yet as Santa phone in the share woman. Debbie. And your own now home in the share as Santa Fo. And your wisdom are what the man Santa Fo. So I go school, so won't go school. And ya chedia on the media at the mouth. It's in the set for a Santini Mutaya. What time is the cup back? I fancy to the back. Nimpian. It is so shy. Yana no open so every single day be a oka. Or say, me dia hope 1 hour day. A charming moisia. So what you say?
Ethiopia.
A yet day. Enna. A baby back for the past 2009. Mahama Bass for what they are fantastic anymore to choose from side. Sit only end this for. Oh, at Fiatia Santamai, I found what dear so a woman must say be human, must say be life. But Nina Santafor say, we are all one people. Omo many and some form would do a munina or monkasa. Because after all, Kwame Nkrumah by the dada woman or modem ever bought politicians. Na kana Santama no mu do omu.
Yeah.
Who is Mahama? When and I am Mahama to me smart amount for good social media so. And yet it not to take and amount for your beeping pamwa.
Yeah.
Mahama Miss Amafu, or your wire
in front of Otumfuo.
no some Mahama mammy. Or your wire. So living near Ibrahim. Sika and a koboto finger fee. Mahama. Sanan can your president leadership and can sure say into Hoyan Somoro. And can tell any agro leadership, any power, any to me, and I'm a ne wouldn't near Ibrahim to me Casadana. So what did the person tell Munyo Biao Munyo Biana Mudia Santin attitude from Munyo Bia, not a Santa Foni Bina more Mugu Quine. A man Somoro Adukuru and Womuya Santa Mayama. So what you say? When you know Mahama, you know, and you promise that also Damana, you can't say me cast on another man.
Yeah.
Wabeka so Nyansam, Mammy Penasam.
Yeah.
Or your two-face.
Yeah.
He's doing all this one. So of the back comfort as you can say, another man. It's mean the Concobi story no bekayon. Yes, I love the way they speak. But when it comes to personality, I hate him. And nobody can tell me what to do.
Yeah.
Or your beer or young titimu or your beer or tumidin papa ebo memu. What are you looking for? A dear now we should say, oh, we are saying, a dear now we should show us Santamao, a dear now to show in a no Otumfuo. Ye be so. Ye be someone more tired Santama, dear Namore. You achieve nothing. And then to know this, sir, a buana. Ne katrema enko na numu na osi e frɛ no amoako hino so amoako nwanwa. Ba ye pese e ka kire mo se traba no na musa di aba be ye politics di a mo family ni ye twem. Ena Kevin Taylor asate a o hihidwa. Kevin Taylor asate Suma manfo e mo ko hihidwa. What is it from Nana Domreso? And then this is to what most I to say because and this MPP for and I call I see Jaho. Kevin Teller, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you normal? Are you a human being or you are animal? Na mi be chiamuka as Mr. Mafo said. Onya mi be chiamuka o. Adia mo de ye Ghana for no onya mi be chiamuka. Mahama, you don't want to support the ordinary Ghanaians, but you want their bit. O person ba support them, but o person we wia wo mo de ma wo ho. And na we wia no. Have you asked yourself who that property belong to? It belongs to the citizens of Ghana. Huh? God na wo turn na wo de top private jet de ma wo nua be ma no. Your citizens ne dia. But what show mo bre? What my citizens ne call ye mu? Dum so na asan aba. Unka no kore. And what sa amanfo hunu and wo twa wo mo ka. Koko ni anya ni pay. Contractor anya ni pay. So there is no money in the system to feed the people. What to be BM? What kind of a leader are you? How should I call you? You are heartless. You have no human soul living in you. Now, are you vice president of Tuswa? The president, vice president, who you toxic, Mahama? Who you toxic? So do your appointees. Who you toxic? And I'm a woman. You are doomed. We are so pathetic leaders, and I'm good parliament. So what I say, I started from Abambabe, and I'm starting to betray the Ghana for, but Ghana for no. See no buboba ana ejano buboba. Heat no, but ma look at money. You are anyway, I mean, because I never cry to see everybody there must say so. I did fire boss, sorry, I'm also move from a Christian country. You call the country a Christian country when you don't know how to pray, you don't know how to communicate with God. It's any demonic spirit be a mobile chant to their ball man be a nyamo. As some from Musamu Christian, not on Sani. From nowhere, from where Mahama said, my Nanadu came, he started from nowhere. And we're building or man kakra. Inside the Mumako school, go back the South by Ghana for Yadimu, Mama Putu, and Namudia Kumu. So, what more are you wishing for? Again, I'm over. Mo for money bread pin Mahama so Otumfuo Mahama bad luck ni way musmu koto abadi amano ene mo you are doomed mo na me kase nyankopon munyam sai awrade papa oboni o mekoso asom wo nukrem Ghana for Monsum nyame wo nukrem na munya asofo na mudi mani ate wo musom they will lead you all to hell. Omudi mu bakwa abunsam jam. Monsum nyame wo nukrem odomo wunia ye oboni afacha no. Na monhwe de nyame be ya o my Ghana. Na monkwaya nkwa ewa asofo na omonka nokore asofo na omonka nokore mu bottom ene mu de na omope no mo fa nokore ensum nyame and see what God can do for you. Someone will say Nanado wanye bibia o but onyankopon fightima Nanado. Onyankopon fightima Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Onyankopon fightima MPP for and this is for how many majority was parliament. But they can't even.
George, but you hear my message now.
Almost strong na it's almost corner, almost tennessee corner, almost me. Because I dear almost Junani say, I'm a pack, yes, sorry, if I'm Yokuya. Yokuya man is sicker. Naka, Onyamia boya baby, I say. Onyamia boya baby, I say. So, or might be a move forward that will move together with them. na obi by no be technology just a hospital memfa for the be ankoko ukwa bowdini bididi kwaku amarado bididi mami asimesi oh for the near ye be unum adro we say ko doctor ho ne yenhwe ya dekro ne asade abeguso akrofo we ba ya akrofo atutumpotomfo criminals. They hate Ghana so much, but they were born there. They hate the country. To me, bang, ever since the outside the court and crata the pen any people. It is so big, but yes, I deal with your mammy, papa, would tell me nana to friend. Again, any penny or bow chrono. And then what was your bontin demonstration? Aday, and I'm your demonstration. Mutia see a dunkatia. Say, Munko 24 hours, you be mam electricity free. Funeral, Munko ya jumanajo. Iron rod makers, Munko ya jumanajo. As that one begin giving to you, can you munya bikram? You make cham say yes, shall dear mamma. Mude sumu. Ma me papa would jene. Would that sumia so no more santifona muka say sumia ma jene. Would that be so? Suma whom onyame was so more watching ye. Let's way near aqua ebeto the be a day ebebo onyame ene triamoka na sadie we mu free mu na samudi mu kokro mo tibesa koto aba ma ndi sia oh wo mo je mo koto ma because mo nim sa die so nyame eto mo be kwanuro so wo mo be kwakutwukum nipa enyan na ntwie ade agitumi bi because mu so na kutamu ni eye weak Ajuni ba kukura na mutrim. You call yourself as a 75% of Christian country. And na asofuna dana mumponche nkoko enyan and no muton mu di ma politicians no ma sakọ no ma kwaje power e wo politicians no ho. Na mo amomo to omo na ase no ma mu di omo yam. And dem one this ni ba otumi tena ho e di sofo atem. So no no. Wo ma no eye kuni and the word end this form. One man, they're full of arrogance and insult. But yesterday, Ghanaians will vote for them. What kind of human being are you? Madam, sorry. Ghana for Madam, sorry. No, Mujimi Yache. Ediane Hamo. Muya Mua. And the moment this is what treating say, Muya Mua. Media me kwada wai e kina me sori akwa adwuma munkwada na munwene me ba beboa me nua bema munkwada na munwene na mujimi yache ene musi mu na madane momoni ni ko obi momoni ni ko obi asam we wanka bi wo ye papa kufuo mere so ye papa kufuo efiri so Mahama beji aba no ana ye papa prof wu ye na me obeji akonwa no ma meka biem sam nto aba ma Mahama biem nto aba ma NDC fo biem ena na adu beje akonwa no manka swami enye swami mpo asafu kwa na costo wo manka bi share life manka ya me na tua moka because mundi di misamafu betete mudidi amon no kwan jimi ejina madwen ho ena mu fa so sabita fracture ya ne egu madwen eti Mahama na nsuo any bridge na dream no obetreat him to say unko wachia Kevin Taylor abuan na chie ne se shu asin so nkonso no wachia ne ka so won fama santeman anim twitwifo onti ne tata so obejimo japade nyinala abumu nua nyinala e dia ma ne nua ba ma so onfanya yi he wanted to be the world richest Mahama. One what didn't buy the word riches, a mumu way a muguni nasi or wombumuno. More didn't buy power no. More and what the mobile who ye will be our son and near Santa Maso. It is a wood walk, now better who quite share was in Timem. I'm yet the end and no prince when you want to for ma, a Tujwala, a Juala. And until I'm walking up, I'm telling you, I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm buona, the cat amount on the news and chieno. What TikTok, Facebook, social media, Jimmy Chop and so on. Nanka obia sinehine was sampa. Eka when you nanka kosi say. What kind of disrespect is that? Now muntaka, you live in a certain land. Muntaka. Look at what you are doing and you call yourself interior minister. Look at what you are doing. What kind of nonsense is that? I don't blame you. Yana no open so and I faith in the sister at the atram and a woman bro. Yes, so one name Kanaman, a diagra or mutafruano nana and or mutafruano. Nanka Mahama. And then leadership. Who is Mahama? Mr. Mafu.
Amen.
Makuma yemi ya, mamem konkoda. A chile yebeka senya,